In today's video, we are going to show you how to play chess with your friends on chess.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the play. This will give you more options to choose from, and basically all I have to do is click the play a friend. If you do, this option lets you invite someone directly instead of playing random opponents. All I have to do is search by username. For example, I'm looking for Mike, one of my friends in UK, like this one. All I have to do is super simple, okay? You can choose the game type. Is it going to be standard, or if you want to play chess variants like chess 960, 3 check, crazy house, it's up to you. But for now, I'm going to choose the standard. And if you want to choose a blitz, 1 minute, daily, you can do so. Now, you want to make sure to choose from a white or random chess piece color if you want it. And then click the send challenge. It's super simple. Of course, you need to make sure to be courteous of the rules and policy and agree to the terms and conditions. Okay? Before sending the invite, remember that the game will affect your rating, and make sure you set this before sending the invite because it can't be changed afterward. Okay? Click the I agree, and basically that's it for today's video on how to play with friends on chess.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.